big task is to finish removing the siding on the outside, and then we're going to install this recycled patio door that we got on Marketplace. This recycled patio door will be going into the wall right about where I'm standing right here at the old church. Good morning, folks. Mr. Garry here, and welcome to our regular Friday video, our TGIF video here at GBL-The Ole Church, 5 Acre Homestead. Look at that gorgeous view this morning over Gander Bay. It's currently 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the same as 46 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going up. It's going up to 16 and sunny. We'll take it. 16 degrees Celsius and sunny is the same as 60.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Like I said, we will take it. Before I go any further though, I want to say this. Our channel, GBL-The Ole Church 5 Acre Homestead, has been on the upswing lately. We have acquired about 200 subscribers in the last couple of weeks alone. Not sure what it is we're doing. Perhaps it's because we're focusing more on what we're doing here at the old church, turning the old church into a living residence for myself and Mrs. Betty. That is true, folks. For those of you new to our channel, we do live in an old church, and we are restoring it, and we are renovating it, and that's the gist, that's the focus, that's the theme of this channel. And we thank you for subscribing and coming to our channel. To our regular supporters who've been with us from the beginning, thank you always. We appreciate your support so much, and from the bottom of our hearts, Miss Betty and Mr. Garry, we thank you always for returning to our channel. We appreciate all of our subscribers, so keep coming, keep liking, keep sharing those comments, and keep subscribing. We appreciate that so very much. Lots to share with you in this TGIF Friday video. So without any further ado, I'm going to turn this camera around and share some things with you. We are going inside, and I got something that I want to share with you, and you're going to like it. This is the old church, folks, and we have been doing quite a bit of exterior work on this church now, getting it ready for the winter, and winter is coming, and it's going to be coming very soon. We are already into the early days of October, and before you know it, the snow will be flying and the frost will be here, so we have lots and lots yet to get done to get ready for winter. Okay, so let's go around the perimeter of the old church for a little bit and showcase what we've done. This is the patio that we've done. This is a reclaimed patio. We've got that mostly all completed now. I do have a couple of rails that I need to install next to the steps right here. That's that repurposed gate that I made just a little while ago. And of course, all the rails have been done, all secured. Miss Betty did the painting and the staining. I did the pressure washing, so it's all done, and it looks quite nice here on the front of the church. We have some exterior landscape lights to go up, and we're going to be doing that very soon. We received a package of lights from a company in the United States called Garden and we've done an unboxing. That's on our channel, so you can go check that out. But we will be putting up those landscape lights very soon. Now let me take you inside. I'm going to use this pull cord to open up the gate that I made. Here you go, look at that. I'm bringing you up onto our recycled, reclaimed patio. It's a bit damp this morning because we've had a lot of dew overnight. And there's the latch. Okay, a very nice patio, don't you think? A nice deck that we have here. And just look at that view that we have to put up with and watch. There's Freebie, of course, in our parking spot. There's the new barn, hoping to get some siding on the front of that very soon. But that's the view. Now, let's go inside. So this is what I wanted to show you inside, folks. We have been quite busy here inside the old church, renovating this main wall here. This is a very long wall, and it is a very high wall, and it had a lot of boards onto it. And to remove them, Miss Betty ordered Mr. Garry this pallet buster. And it's not just for pallets, as you saw in our unboxing pallet buster video a couple of days ago. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It is a great tool to have, and it worked out quite well removing the boards off of this wall right here. We're going to continue that process over the next couple of days. Our next big task is to finish removing the siding on the outside, and then we're going to install this recycled patio door that we got on Marketplace. It does require some cleaning, removing the tape and some old silicone and stuff that's onto it, and we'll certainly be doing that over the next little while. But this recycled patio door will be going into the wall right about where I'm standing right here. So look forward to a video showcasing the installation of this patio door very, very soon here at the Ole Church. Now, I want to say thank you so very, very much for tuning in to our TGIF Friday video. And before I go, I want to give my condolences to the victims of Hurricane Helene that landfell in Florida very, very recently. To date, there's been 202 deaths, many homeless, folks that have lost everything, folks. So let's support those families. Let's support those people. Let's pray for them. Let's give our condolences to all of these people. And we are here in Canada. We are concerned about our friends to the south, our friends in the USA who are suffering because of that flood. So, folks, you have our support. Absolutely. We will pray for you. We are thinking about you. Absolutely. You have our sympathies and our hopes for a quick recovery in your area very, very soon. And hopefully, lots of support, both financial and human, will come your way to help restore your homes and properties, and hopefully you can return to some good living very, very soon, folks. So, without any further ado, though, I want to say thank you for tuning in to our TGIF, our Friday video. Mr. Garry now, I'm going to say farewell, and thank you ever so much for watching. Thanks for those likes and those comments. I'm going to share a video along this wall and show off this wall to you before I go. But for now, I want to say thank you again. You have a blessed Friday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Mr. Garry, signing out. This is where we started renovating this wall a couple of days ago, myself and my son Devin. This wall had lots and lots of wall boards onto it, and it was quite difficult to remove them, but we were able to using this pallet buster. It is a great tool. We also used our hammer and that pry bar there as well. So we're going to continue the process of getting this raw wall all ready and prepped with insulation and vapor barrier. We still have some siding to remove on the outside, and we'll get that done. We have some electrical to install. This is where the kitchen is going to be going, so there's lots of plumbing to get done and all kinds of stuff like that. So that's the wall. I wanted to share that with you in this video. Hopefully you can see the sun is glaring in through the window there this morning. So hopefully you can get a good view of this wall inside the Ole Church this morning. Still lots of work to do.